Hi there, my name is Chaminyuka the Legend, also known as Prosper Mtandadze, and I'm going to talk about trees and herbs and their healing powers. Now, I know most of you know that I love science, I love scientific things, and I love things that can be proven. You have to prove their efficacy, you have to experiment, you have to do some research. But I also know that despite all that, we need to look at alternative medicine. The problem is, in places like Africa, there are many people who deal with this alternative medicine, but have no time to do research. Maybe, just maybe, sometimes there are no willing participants to the research. So it's very difficult to note if these herbs, if these trees are really working.
Africa, and Zimbabwe in particular, is one of the major repositories for biodiversity, supporting more than 20,000 plant and herb species. We have thus made a great collection of videos, which is an assimilation of information from numerous sources. Some of it might be false, but we hope the majority might be true. While we will avoid outright superstitions like herbs for luck, herbs to find a lover boy, herbs to find your mistress, we will concentrate on what we consider the truth, genuine herbs and plants. We will sideline things that are anti-critical, things that lack thinking, things that are food for the gullible, as this is lamentable, and we do not want to feed you on such trash. Herbalism, indeed, is a nice practice, but human beings are urged to exercise extreme caution because out there in the herbal market are fraudulent claims and spurious theorizing. So we try to avoid this sea of misrepresentation where everyone will be drowning. We are trying to take care of you. And these videos aim at doing just that. Maybe, just maybe, this will make you save some of those monies you might need to consult false people.
So what I'm going to do is to introduce a species, a tree, a herb, and talk about it and what people say it does if you are not feeling well. I'm going to explain the uses of different trees, their healing powers, the different trees, the different herbs, the different whatever that people use, especially Africans from Zimbabwe. We want medicine to reach people, to reach everyone, but we are not saying this is the best. We don't even know if it works. We are just trying to make people get access to alternative medicine because it is very expensive to go around looking for it. It might be at your home, it may be around you, and you might be missing it. You might not know that you have something that heals at your place according to the African tradition. So we are trying to make you get access to those things that may be close to you without you knowing. Mark my words, we don't know if these things work. What we are only doing is telling you what people say this tree, this herb does. We are not sure. We have not even tried it. We are just trying to give you an alternative choice for you. If you cannot access a hospital, if you cannot access a clinic, if you cannot pay your medical bills, this is what you may try. Don't blame us if it doesn't work. This is what we are just transmitting to you. We don't know if it works or not. We have not tried it. We are just trying to make make you find an alternative. If it works, that's fine. If it doesn't, please don't blame us. I would encourage you, if you have the money, to seek medical people, the trained doctors, the trained nurses. First things first, to go to a clinic, to go to a hospital. But if you cannot afford that, or if you have tried them and it has not worked, please look for these alternative medications. They might work. They might in capital letters. We don't really know. So let's go for it.